What's going on? This is No Bad Days. I'm Ryan. Welcome back. It's been a minute. I haven't had a ton of updates going on. I kind of wanted to have a few more things completed with the cars and stuff like that before I did an update. But you know what? Now's the time. Can't wait any longer. It's a beautiful, warm spring day here in Ontario. So that happened last night after I've got my summer wheels on the 5 Series. I've done some of the body stuff to the 3 Series. Parts are still arriving, parts are waiting to be picked up. We were kind of going full steam ahead, and this happened last night. So this is Ontario for you. You're guaranteed to get snow when you least expect it. Anyways, here's the new wheel setup on the 5 Series. As you can see, they're nice summer wheels. So those are DPE S20s, 3-piece wheels, 19 by 10.5 rears, 19 by 9 fronts. Sweet wheels. The faces are white with a gold flake. They're getting refinished though. So I picked these up for a killer deal. I had no intentions of putting these wheels on this car. I was actually looking for wheels for the 3 Series, and just a deal came up that I couldn't pass it up. And there we go. Now we have 3-piece wheels on the daily, which sweet, can't complain about that. So yeah, getting the faces refinished by JBMaf. Today I'm actually headed there to have the 18-inch Keskins redrilled to 5x120 for the 3 Series. So the 3 Series is going to be running 18 by 9, 18 by 10s on the factory body. I was going to do over fenders, but we said screw it, we don't need to. We'll make them fit. And I've got the M3 bumper now mounted. I have fog light delete covers coming for it. The grill's got to go in and everything. That was just the initial test fit. Waiting on coilovers that are still just sitting, waiting to be picked up. And once all that stuff's done, get everything mounted up and all set, then it'll go to paint at Joe Utley Auto Body and get all cleaned up. So we're making progress, and it seems like every day more stuff arrives, but this little snowfall hindered that. So we're gonna go to JBMaf. I'm gonna take you through the process of redrilling wheels. Most people probably don't know how it works and or have never seen it done properly. So JBMaf's the master of this stuff, and we'll catch up with you when we get there. Here we are, JBMaf. Jason in the house. Gonna be redrilling these from a 5x112 to a 5x120 so that they can fit on both my BMWs. These are the wheels that I was running on my CL203 Mercedes. So these will fit nice on the 3 Series in particular, and we're going to re-drill them. So we're going to film Jay re-drilling some of it. I can't show you the exact process because Jay has come up with his own way of doing it, and unfortunately it's very secretive. And that's the reason why Jay's the best at this, is because he knows how to make these tools. But I can show you some of the other stuff he's got going on. Inserts are installed for a perfect fit. Perfect re-drill, 5x120 JBMaf. right, just came in from filming that short clip of the 5 Series. It is free, minus 13. It's minus 13 right now. It's March, I don't know, 27th or 8th or something. March 28th. That's insanity. It was like 20 degrees or something last week. I got my summer wheels on, basically hockey pucks driving around here. Oh well, it'll get warmer, that's inevitable. Anyways, I don't have much more for this video. I just wanted to kind of touch base with where the cars are at. But I was driving and I was thinking to myself, have you ever had a goal that you work towards, that you've seen for or envisioned for a period of time, a long period of time, and achieved it, and had that feeling of complete success and satisfaction, and then seeing how long that joy kind of lasts? What I've realized is that I am a person that's constantly pursuing what's next in terms of when it comes to car stuff. I get something, I'm really happy about it for a short period of time, and then I want something else. And it's hard for me to be content, especially with car stuff. But I'm learning and I'm working on that, to be content with the things that I do have. I've got so many amazing things in my life today. I have an amazing partner, I've got an amazing job, the more than amazing family, home life, everything like that, the best dog, everything you could think of, and I'm so grateful for those things. But I find when it comes to material things, it's this constant consumption, and maybe that's the addict in me, but it's this constant need to consume. And I work hard on that. I work hard to, rather than get a lot of different things, I work hard towards one end goal, and try to achieve that, and then stick with that for a little bit. So in terms of like the wheels for this car, it's something that I'd been working towards. I wanted a nice set of 3-piece wheels for it. Opportunity came up to get a set of them, and then I'll make my custom changes to that, and that's something that I can continue to do with the same set of wheels for years to come. Does it mean it's my last set of wheels? No, of course not. But this is what I'm into. Yeah, it's something I'm working on, and just to be grateful. I find when I'm grateful for things, things just come a lot easier, whether it's work, family, play, whatever it is. When I'm grateful for things, it seems like the universe is kind of on my side. And when I'm angry or arguing or looking for trouble or problems, it's, that seems to be what I find. The universe is great at delivering those things to me, and I just gotta stay focused on that gratitude, and just be really grateful for the things that I do have in my life today and the things that are to come. And that's why it's so important to me. And if you're new to this channel or haven't followed along or whatever it may be, I do have a pretty good daily routine in terms of how I actually practice my gratitude, not only in action, but throughout my day. So I make a gratitude list in the morning. I make one before I go to bed, and just to remind myself that there are no bad days, and there are so many challenges that I'm going to face and continue to face, and there'll be things I succeed at and things I fail at, but I'm always grateful for something. I faced a lot of things over the last 5 years that I thought I wouldn't be able to definitely stay sober for, but it felt like maybe I wouldn't get through, and I've been able to get through them all. And I stay focused today on setting some short-term goals and working towards them. And when I have those small wins, that's what keeps me going. I don't need these massive successes. So I just keep working towards that, those small wins, being grateful for the amazing things that have come into my life, and excited for what's to come. So that's really all I've got. A little bit of car stuff, a little bit of insight, and I've got a lot more stuff coming. So I'm really excited. It can't be 13 degrees out. I'm just not willing to be outside working and playing with cars and stuff. I had planned to roll the fenders. I'll do a video about that. I was going to do that tonight, but I'm not doing that. Not in this weather. But hopefully you enjoyed the video today. Any questions or comments, hit me up. Everybody that has messaged me and found me on other social media platforms, thanks so much. I appreciate it. Hearing from people, and whether it's on the recovery side of things or the car stuff, I hear a lot more from the car people. But it's awesome. It's awesome to connect with all of you and follow along your kind of automotive journeys as well. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Grateful you're here. I'm Ryan. This is No Bad Days. Take care.